Right, just had a delivery today just as I was finishing up my last video. I've no idea what's in it, so I'm going to open it up on camera. I'm going to move the camera up a bit. I'm going to open it up carefully, because I don't know what's in it. I don't know if I can put anything in it. Knowing me, there's a good chance that I would. I genuinely have no idea what this is. Right, what's that? Oh, it's a stamp and die set. Fabulous fuchsia. A cute little hummingbird on there. I do have one similar to this, but not this kind. It's just... that's really nice. Where on earth have I ordered this from? Just a minute. Ah, Doctor's Companion, of course. Where else? Right, I'm going to put this box down here so I can get a better look at everything. Right, rocker blocks. I didn't order the rocker blocks because I already have some. Oh, I think I know what's happened. I ordered, what do you call it? Like a mystery bag. Yes, I ordered a mystery bag of stuff. So this is obviously what's come. No wonder I don't recognise it. I already have some of these, so I'll put these for sale on my website, and I'll leave a link to my website in the description. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, that's really nice. Please stamps. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I can think of something to do with those because I already have something else. If I can just quickly show you. I bought these the other day. Gina K Master Layouts 11. And looking at it now, I don't think they will fit, but I thought these would have looked lovely in there. I'm going to think on that and see if there's anything I can do about that. I will have a look at that later. And what's this? Dancing Dragonfly. Luxury foiled card pad. Oh, that's lovely. I don't know if you can see that there. Should I open it up? Should I? Yeah. Yeah, I've probably damaged half the paper in here, but... oh, I don't know if you can see that. That is absolutely stunning. It's just a very pale, pearlescent dragonfly paper. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's one with leaves on, like a foil. It's just beautiful. I wish you could see it in real life. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what I would do with these yet, but I'm sure I can think of something. Very nice. It's not the type of thing I would normally buy. Sometimes that's the good thing about buying mystery boxes. You'll end up with things you don't normally buy, most likely, but I'm sure you can find a use for them. What's this? Papercraft die, time to party. Yeah, I like that. That's like an edge die. That would be good, wouldn't it? For like an anniversary or a wedding or something. Engagement party. Yeah, like that. Yes, sentiments. I love my sentiments. It's wild one. Wild at heart, they're called. Largest stamp sizes, 2 inches by 1.7 inches. Yep. Never have enough sentiments in my book. What's that? Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, stencils. Layering stencils, I imagine. Are there layering stencils? It looks like there are just 2 of them there. Very nice. I love using stencils. You can get some beautiful effects. I actually have a project in mind. This has come just at the right time. I have a project in mind that I've been struggling with for the past few days, and I might actually use these to help make it. What's that? Delicate lace. That's like an edge die, isn't it? A metal die. Yeah, that looks like an edge die. You can make some nice cards with that, I'm sure. What's this? Oh, wolf. Call of the Wild stamp and die set. Very nice. I love wolves so much. What do we have here? You make me happy. Oh, that is so cute. That is really, really cute. I love that. Just for Moo. Oh, I love it. Yeah, oh, do you know, I'm going to have so much fun with these. Sensational Stars. They're really nice, but I'm not sure if I would use them, to be honest. I might put those on my website. I'm not sure yet. They're gorgeous, but I don't know if I would use them. What are these? Oh, Spectrum Noir Dual Tip Permanent Markers. Very nice. Blend Collection. Well, I have, to be honest, more alcohol pens than I know what to do with. So I might again put these on my website for sale. I'm not sure yet. And that vellum pad. Okay, let me have a quick look at that. Whoops. It's a good job I don't want to sell that, isn't it? Oh! Oh! I wasn't expecting that. Can you see that? That's translucent. That's vellum. That's, oh, that will go beautiful with that wolf dye, wouldn't it? That is gorgeous. I really love that. Yeah, definitely not selling that. And luxury mixed cardstock. That's beautiful, isn't it? There's obviously all different types there. This is a bit like the Sizzix Opulent cardstock, which is also beautiful, but this is really nice. I'm trying to think of projects. I don't normally use card like that. I'm trying to think of projects that I could use for that. I don't want to get rid of this. I really, really like it. If you can think of any projects using this absolutely beautiful, opulent, thick cardstock, then please let me know. Because at the moment I can't think of what I would do with one of these. Definitely going to keep it though. Some glitter paste, some sequins, iridescent glitter. I can't remember ordering these. I don't know if it's come. That's my memory. Honestly, my memory's worse than a goldfish. So this is all either the mystery pack, or it was the mystery pack plus what I have ordered. I'll double check anyway. Not that it really matters. I always like glitter paste. It's lovely for stenciling. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, beautiful colour. Guess I could use it with those stencils that have just arrived. With those, maybe perhaps the hearts, because I have some purple glitter paste, and you get the same effect. That's a coincidence. So I have the pink there, and I have some purple, and that would look really nice. Purple or is it blue? Can't remember. But it would look really nice on there, I think. So I might use glitter paste on that when I make my next project. But honestly, whenever I've ordered anything from Crafter's Companion, I've never been disappointed. The only thing I think I won't really use is this. I can't see anything that I would use this for. It's not really my thing. So I'm going to put this, it's brand new, I'm going to put this for sale on my website, I think. It might not be up just yet, because it takes me a while to get round, because I've got that much to do. It might take me a while to actually add this to the website. But we shall see. So anyway, very nice. I am extremely happy with all of these things. That is just... Oh, do you know, I've got so many ideas floating around in my head. I would love to hear your ideas as well, because I love it when we brainstorm. I love brainstorming with people, because sometimes I'm quite a visual person, and I find it difficult to imagine in my mind what I would make with something. But if you could give me some ideas, either in the comments or on my website or Facebook or anything like that, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, so the things I'm putting here are the things that are going on my website for sale. Definitely keeping those. I'll have a go at those as well. Yeah. Oh yes, and the rocker blocks, I'll put them on. But I have a video about the rocker blocks and how you can use them to stamp with. I'll leave that up there in a link so you can go and check out that video. So, but most of these I'm keeping. I love stamps. Really love stamps. That's beautiful, that. Over the moon with it. So, that is my Crafter's Companion haul. The mystery box. So there we go. Like I said, any ideas? Let me know in the comments or wherever, and I'll try and have a go of it. In the meantime, I don't know whether this is interesting to you or not, but I will leave a link to the mystery box in the description, because I'm sure that you won't get the same things all over and over again. I imagine that each box comes with something different in. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye bye now.